Hey everyone, Tony here from Messier. Thank you for joining again. I know that we just did a lesson and today is normally a lesson, but I'm really excited to open these boxes. This video is not sponsored by Space and Beyond Box. I just really wanted a subscription box that gave me space stuff and I found it and I bought 5 boxes so that you guys can see what's in them. So let's open it, shall we? Last time we had like flashcards and Mars regolith. If you haven't seen that video, there, you can check it out if you want. I'm gonna open this one. Let's get started. I'm gonna clean off my desk. Okay, maybe that wasn't, okay, anyway, let's open up, see what we got. So, if you don't know, the Space and Beyond boxes are all themed. So last time was space exploration. This one is going to be, ooh, oh, it's gotta be Jupiter. Hold on, okay. So every single one comes with like a exclusive magazine. So this is the Jupiter edition. It comes with a magazine that basically explains everything that's going to be, ooh, a shirt? Everything that's going to be in this. So let's open it up and find out. I will read that later. Okay, so the first one that came was, I don't know if you can see this. Let's see if I can angle it. It's a page from Galileo's journal or something like that. And this is, if you're familiar with it, this is what he wrote when he basically, when he observed Jupiter's moons for the first time. This is the page in his notes. That is really cool. Let's see. Page from Galileo's Sidereus Nuncius, 610. The year 610 shows Jupiter's 4 bright moons changing positions relative to the planet. That's frameable. That's cool. Okay. We got a t-shirt. Let's see if I can do this. Whoa! Yeah, did that work? Was that cool? Okay, let's see. Jupiter, king of the planets. Okay, ooh, it's comfy too. Okay, now we got Jupiter notebook with AR. What? Watch the vibrant 3-dimensional Jupiter come to life on your device. How to experience, download the Astro Reality app, launch the app on your device, and I guess Jupiter will come to life. And it's a journal. Huh, cool. All right, Jupiter notebook with AR. Very cool. Next we have Jupiter flashcards. Explore the science, observation, and history of the giant planet. Okay, so we have flashcards already from last week, so let's open these, see how they're different. 30 cards. It looks like one of them is Pioneer 10, so I guess anything that's been to Jupiter. Ooh, very cool. Okay, so Jupiter with Aurora Borealis. I know you can't see these as well. Great red spot. Wow. Oh, I love this. This is like one of my favorite pictures of Jupiter. Oh, so pretty. Wow, so many cool things, and they all have tips and things on the back. Love this. My daughter's gonna love this too, because she will know all of these. That's that. And the last one we have, this looks like a globe. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, so cool. Okay, so we've got North Polar Region, North-North Temperate Zone, North-North Temperate Belt. What? Interesting. I didn't even know that there were so many North-Norths and South-Souths. And a full little thing. Wow. Okay, so that's gonna go. You guys like, okay, so I've got like these new shelves over here. This is cool. We've got like a Star Wars shelf. I haven't like themed anything, but this is where last box went. So I'm gonna have to find a place for these. Maybe I'll go next to Mars. Well, I'll put it with Star Wars right now. Yeah, very cool. Wow, okay, so that was the Jupiter box for, oh, there's a little thingy in here. Oh, it's like the page from the astronomy magazine where they did all about Jupiter. Very cool. Okay, so we got Jupiter flashcards. I already did this, yeah. Jupiter flashcards, the AR notebook where like Jupiter pops out at you. We've got this really cool printout of Galileo's journal. We have a t-shirt, which I'm pumped. And, oh! And a pin. We have a Jupiter pin. Ah, it's too hard. I like doing that. If you can't tell, it's just fun to do on video. And it says Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. You can fit more than 1,300 Earths inside. Oh my goodness, okay. Globe, flashcards, notebook, print out of Galileo's journal, pin, t-shirt. So first of all, thank you for astronomy. Well, I mean, thank you for making this. I bought it, but still, thank you. I love all this stuff. It's gonna decorate really cool, and I'm gonna use the journal. But on a side note, if you guys didn't know, I'm going through a master's program in astronomy. Now, I'm going through and I'm actually teaching every single thing that I learn here on YouTube. So if you haven't checked out other videos, you can maybe here, there should be like a video where you can look and see all the videos that I've made so far. So feel free to check those out, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Friday for the next video. Bye.